Hey everyone, today I'm unboxing the Artifox Desk 2. This is the white walnut version. They also make a fully walnut version and also a maple version, as well as a maple with white. So right off the bat, I was really impressed with the packaging of this product, the overall design, and everything felt extremely high quality. Sometimes it's hard to tell online, but everything felt great right out of the box. So the setup process was really easy. You just attach the legs using a couple Allen wrench screws, which they provide everything. In addition to the legs, this comes with a black metal plate that you can attach, and this is used for cable management, a power strip, or you can even put a hard drive or something like that attached to this grid and then just strap it down. They provide some straps, but it's pretty easy to do. You can use zip ties as well, anything really to strap down whatever devices you want to put there. So the overall setup took about 10 to 15 minutes, and once you attach the legs and the grid, it's just a matter of flipping it out of the box, and you're set up and ready to go. In addition to the desk, I got some stands that Artifox sells as well. So I'm going to attach those now. I have one of their large stands and two small stands. Okay, now this is out of the box, let's attach the stands. So this is their large stand. Uh, all these stands just screw in from underneath the desk right into the unit, and there's a piece of felt attached to the bottom of each of these to protect it as it sits on top of the desk. They match the desk as well, so it's walnut, and then black tops which match the black grid. And that's it. So I'm going to do a full desk setup once I get all my accessories onto the desk, and I'll do a review of the desk at that point after I've had some time with it and a few weeks of using it, how I like it, pros and cons. But that's it for now. Thanks for watching. Please like, subscribe, and feel free to ask any questions. I'd be happy to respond to them in the comments below. Thanks.